Hello, friends and followers. So I did build these FL-10 boards, like this one. Built this one like, I don't know, a few days ago. That's how they turn out. So I had parts laying around here. So these aren't like flying off the shelf here on eBay. I guess there aren't that many ALS 1300 amplifiers without 10-meter boards. I don't know, but I had extra parts laying around here, which I didn't want to have laying around. I wanted to get these things assembled. And if they're going to sit for years, at least they'll be done. And I won't have to understand how to do it in years from now. So just went through a quality check on these to see if they're somewhat reasonable. Hand soldering on SMT components is really unpleasant. I wonder if I should have put in like through-hole stuff, but SMT looks a lot more professional. I guess it gives it more value. When people look at it, they're like, ooh, it has SMT, it must be worth more. I don't know. Or more modern, but that's what I did. So, I gotta wind some coils for these, get them soldered up, get them tested. Here's the first board I made of this rendition. This vendor was in Portland, Oregon or somewhere, and this is called like Osh Park, and this board's pretty. I think it's higher quality as it has the gold. I made a few of these, but this board actually works good. But I had to drill the holes out because the holes came into, they came in with M3 size, and I actually need M4 holes. So the next one of these came from China, and I got hit by the Trump tariff. I think I came into like $4 a board on these because of the Trump tariffs to China. Thank you, Trump, again. These I got on a discount for being a first-time buyer, but Osh Park is super expensive. I like the purple boards though, but I guess these will look better in the amplifier because they match the green in the amplifier already. So, I can't see these are flying off the shelf. I think it'll be years before I sell all these, and I got 50 blanks. I think I made like 9 boards out of 50 blank circuit boards, so we will see how that goes. There's some of the parts I'm putting in these. The parts, the capacitors are supposedly rated for 2 kilovolts. I guess I could put in 3 kV capacitors. These little capacitors though are like $1 for each one. It's insane what you pay for these things. That one must have been like a little more than $1. Just tiny capacitors, so that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.